Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift cards on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply going to go ahead, open up your eBay app on your phone. Make sure it's an updated version and you have signed in as well. Then tap on this option of card on top right corner. Now from over here, scroll a bit and tap on go to checkout. Then make sure if your address is correct or not, otherwise tap on this icon and you can add a new one if you would prefer from over here, or you can use it from your contact as well. Once you're done with that, you're gonna scroll a bit and you will find this option of gift cards and coupons below the cards. Then go ahead, tap on enter a code. Now you will check out your physical gift card that you have received. Simply flip it wherever the code is and simply go ahead, enter the code accordingly right over there. Tap on apply. It will simply apply the code over there for your product. Once it's applied, it will simply go back to another page, open up a preview for you. Tap on preview, check out the preview, tap on confirm, and your order will be placed right over there and you're good to go. So that's how easy it is to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.